Tired. I'm tired of spending money. I'm tired of spending money. Going into the new year 2023, I don't want to be spending my own money. Packages. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this video is going to be the last video of my apartment series. The last video of my apartment series, plus the last video for the year. Okay, today, as you can see, my bed is in the background, right? The last time we left off, I was fitting it up. I tried a thing and I've been sleeping on it ever since. So now we're gonna try something else and let's see if it works. So this is how to make a bed in China 101. Haha!
Okay, so let's get it. So we take it off. All of them. Taking off all of these things. Okay. So I bought this and I bought this.
Yeah, I'm here. Everything is off and I bought a sponge. So let's just see if it works, huh? Terrible when it comes to opening packages. So terrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come now. Why you take so long to open? Come on. Cut this one out. Same old. Let's see him here. Ah. It fits perfectly. Nice. So almost perfect. Almost. It's still, the measurement's still off. Still off. Why? Why the measurements still off? Anywho, I think it feels. Okay, you don't feel bad. Alright. Let's put on the toppers now. Put this back on. Whew, I'm tired. It's supposed to go down there. Feeling like how it's supposed to feel. It's feeling like how it's supposed to feel. Okay. I'm proud of myself. Okay, how is it looking? Think it's looking okay. Think it's looking okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get my sheet. I'm gonna get the sheet and then I come back. So basically, this is where the bed is at now. This is how it's looking. This is how my bed is looking. I think it's looking how I want it to look now, and it's kind of feeling how I want it to feel. So, you know, instead of buying a mattress, so basically I have three layers. I have the sponge, right, and then I have this mattress topper, and then I have this one again, and they're pretty soft. So when I go into my bed, it's gonna be soft. Okay, now let's try the sheet. Now we're gonna try those sheet. All of these. This is supposed to come with a sheet cover. Now where is it? Okay. It's still not big enough. I want it to be big enough. I bought the biggest size and it's still not big enough. This is freaking pissing me off, you know. Piss me off. I bought a bigger sheet because I want it to cover. Okay, this is still not what I want it to be. It's still not what I want it to be, but it's coming along. I think it's coming along. Okay, it is coming along. It's coming along. Let me put two pillowcase here so I see how it look. Two pillowcase. 1, 2. No sir, this bed here take me through a journey. This bed is taking me through a journey, a real journey to rotted. Huh? Let's go from the outside. Okay, it look bad enough. It look bad enough. It look bad enough. It's going on, you know. It's going on. All right, it's a go on. It's a go on. It look bad. It look bad. Just need some more pillow. I'm a bit alright. Yeah, not bad. At least this one it cover the edges of the bed. Right? Cover the edges. So it don't look bad. I think the pillow game need to turn up. The pillow game need to turn up and then we're good to go. So you know what? I'm gonna sign off until I get my pillow game up. So some pillow just need to do this so. And the bed good to go. I like it. So these are my new pots. Yeah, I love them and they feel the quality is so good. So I love them. And then this is the water dispenser. I think it gives you hot, warm and cold, ice cold water, I think. Room temperature. And yes, so this is the bottle. I bought this one because I just put the bottle here and then I have to fit this up, put the hose and stuff down, and then we're good to go. So yeah. And then the last thing over here is this heater. This is the one I bought. I'm just gonna turn it on now and then see how it works. But that's it for the video. See you. That's it for the video.